Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I would like to address the issue GTA or Grand Theft Auto 5 is having crashing, it is not launching or won't launch, freezing, stuttering, lagging, FPS drop, stuck on loading screen, and many more issue and how it can fix it. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about we have to start with a simple restart. Just go over here in the start icon, go over here and do a simple restart. Once the restart is done, just try launch the game and you have to check. Next one, we need to launch the game from the installation folder, not from the Steam. So right now we're in the Steam, trying to launch the game from here, it's not gonna work. So we need to move to the installation folder. So go over here, right click, go to the properties, go to the installer file and just click on the browse. And right now, as you can see, it is available in E, that is lowercase e. So from here, scroll down and over here you can see this is the application. So we need to launch the game from here. That is what we have to do. Sometimes, launch the game from the installation folder might be working, or you can navigate over here, click over here in the, over here, go to this one, which lowercase e, go to Steam library, Steam apps, go to the common, go over here to Grand Theft Auto 5. Now from here, you can also launch the game. So this is the application as well. We can also try launch the game from here as well. That will be also working. Next step, third and fourth, we need to try launch the game and we have to run it as an administrator. Right click over here, go to the show more option, go to the properties, go to compatibility and click on run this program as in compatibility mode. Set this to Windows 7 as the first one. And also you can go for Windows 8. Either you can try this Windows 7 or you can try this on Windows 8. Go for apply and also click on run this program as an administrator. Go for apply and go for OK. And once everything is being done, just close this, go back and try launch the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, we can try the next one. That is what about we need to delete the saved game file. So just go over here, go to the File Explorer, go to Documents, and you'll be having the folder like Dead Space 2023 Rockstar Games. You'll be having the folder for GTA 5. So this is actually the folder. So just go over here and delete the folder. And keep in mind, when you do this, you'll be losing all the progressions of the game. But even though that is fine. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to allow the game to Windows security. So just go over here, search for the control panel. Now click on this one. Now from here, go to System and Security. Go to Windows Defender Firewall. Go for allow network feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here, we have to scroll down and navigate to the game GTA 5. So over here you can see the GTA Grand Theft Auto 5 is added. Make sure you have to put a check on both the boxes, that is private and public. That is very important. And once afterwards, just close this, go back and try launch the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to unplug all the USB devices. So we might be connected with a lot of external joysticks might be connected, devices might be connected. So all these are actually the reason why we are having the crashing issue. So we need to unplug everything. Once everything is unplugged, we just need to try and launch the game and you have to check. Next one is all about we need to perform a clean boot. So just go over here, search for the system configuration. Now from here, click on this one. Now we have to go over here, go to the services. And so we need to go over here in the disabled or go to hide all the Microsoft services. Go for apply and go for OK. And once it is done, you have to try. If it is on, you have to try with a simple restart and most probably the restart will be working. So if restart is not working, what we need to do is just go back to the game and you have to try launch the game once again. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to perform a clean boot, which is done. We have to try disabling the Steam overlay. So just go over here in the game, right click, go to the properties. Make sure if enable the Steam overlay while in game. If it is turned on, turn this off, try launch the game. Or you can turn on this and first you have to turn this off and try launch the game and you have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble, just go over here. You have to give the command. That is the first one, DX11. So DX11 should be given. So DX11 should be given. If DX11 is not working, try with DX12. If DX12 is not working, try with D3, D2. We have to try with D3, D2. So either you have to try with DX11 or you have to try with DX12. Or you have to try with D3, D2. That is going to work. So after trying with this T, if you're having the trouble, just close this and go back and try launch the key. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to disable the Steam overlay which we did. we need to close all the overlay application. So just go over here, right click, go to the task manager. And right now we can see, if you check over here at the top, you can see there are a lot of things running in the background, and all these things are actually utilizing the performance. Right now there are 51 amps. So we need to remove the example overlay and overclocking application. For example, this code is an overlay application, so just remove it. Epic Games Launcher is unwanted thing, remove it, and all such things should be removed. And once afterwards, you have to try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do. Is apart from this, we just need to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So just go over here, search for the graphics settings. Now from here, click on this one. And what we need to do is we just need to add the game. So just click on add desktop app. Now from here, what we need to do is just go over here, go to this PC, go to lock this E, Steam library, Steam apps, go to the common. Now from here, select Grand Theft Auto. Now from here, we have to add the game. So this is the application, add it. Now scroll down and you'll be able to see the Grand Theft Auto 5. So just select this one, and also under the GPU preferences, this should be let Windows decide, change this to high performance. After high performance is being set, just close this, go back and try launching the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, we can move to the next one. That is all about we need to update the Windows. So try updating the Windows and try launching the game. And also you need to update the graphics card. So I'll be providing a link in the description to NVIDIA over here, so where you can go to the NVIDIA page, which I'll be providing. So over here you can see the GeForce is added and the GeForce 16 series is added. So mine is GeForce 16, so I have to add a GeForce 16 series should be added. And if you're on the GeForce GTX 1650, add it. And also make sure if you're on Windows 11, select Windows 11 and go for start search. And if you're on the AMD, just go over here, select everything. For example, the graphics should be selected, everything should be selected, and go for submit. And over here, as you can see, if the system is based on Windows 11, you have to download this one. If the system is based on Windows 10, you have to download this one. You can also try installing the Microsoft Visual C++, which will be also working. Just go over here. If the system is based on x84, you have to download this one. If the system is based on x86, you have to download this one and try installing the game. And most probably check. But still, if you have the trouble before that, you can also visit our website Game Setters for these kind of videos. Also, after trying with the Steve, if you're having the trouble, I would like to address the issue with few more steps, which are very important. That is, we need to try a verify integrity of game file. So just go over here in the game, right click, go to the properties. Now go for the installed file. And now there is an option to verify integrity of game file. So just click on this one. So this is actually a very important step. So what happens is this will cross-check every single files of a game, and if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by this. So this is very important because the issue regarding the crashing, not launching, won't launch, freezing, stuttering, lagging, and even the error like fatal error, even DXG error, anything can be causing for many reasons, and we cannot predict that this is the reason why we are having this issue. But even though we can try some steps. So right now, this particular step is going to cross-check every single files of a game. So whether the files are corrupted, if any kind of files are missing, and if any files are having any kind of issue, and all these things kind of fixed by this. So it's just gonna take a bunch of time. So just wait for it, and afterwards you can try. And also I'm gonna show you a few more steps that can be considered very important. That's gonna help you guys out. So I'm gonna show it after this. So let's wait for this to get finished. You're a plant put here to try and trick us. They hired you to come and confuse us all. Who is this man? You're the ones who put him in here to manipulate us. Hey, man, better watch yourself. He's the reason you're not dead. At the end, told us what to do, then none of us would be alive. And you there? I saw how freaked out you were. You were so scared your life was shaking. You should be thanking you. Not calling him a fraud. Motherfucker, why you care? You also a plant? Just your mom. And once done, close this and try and use the key. Last and the least one, we need to uninstall and reinstall it. So just go over here, right click, go to manage, uninstall the key, and we have to try reinstalling it back. Try reinstalling it back, short beans are back on. E, we have to try D or C. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.